To get an XRP address in Binance, you'll first need to create an account on the Binance platform if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, follow these steps. Go to Wallet, navigate to the Wallet tab on the top right corner of the Binance dashboard and select Overview. Search for XRP. In the search bar, type XRP or Ripple to locate the XRP wallet. Click on Deposit. Click on the Deposit button next to XRP to initiate the process of obtaining your XRP address. Generate XRP address. Binance will provide you with a unique XRP wallet address. This address is where you can receive XRP tokens. You can copy the address or use the provided QR code for easier sharing. Ensure accuracy. Double check the XRP address before using it to ensure accuracy. Sending XRP to an incorrect address may result in loss of funds. Share address. If you're receiving XRP from another wallet or exchange, provide them with your Binance XRP address. You can also use this address to receive XRP from mining pools or other sources.